I think it's day 33 since the swarm came in, and I am seeing a lot of new brood. You can tell them because the fluff on their thorax, so the section right behind their head, is lighter colored. It's almost white, but also most of them are smaller. And the reason they're smaller is because in these boxes, or they're using the bottom box, some of the foundation had smaller cell size. It's a store-bought foundation, and yeah, so clearly they're using at least one of those smaller celled foundations for raising brood. Typically, the honeycomb, like if bees, these are wild bees, they've been swarming, reswarming for 9 years. And there's just a bee buzzing around. She may not like me. A thunderstorm just rolled through, and so they can get a little more aggressive when a storm goes through. Anyway, she flew off. But what was I talking about? The foundation. Anyway, oh, right. So typically, when they're allowed to build their own comb, they will build bigger cells. The bees will be bigger because bigger bees bring in more honey, more nectar, and they also produce more body heat, so they can gather in cooler temperatures, stay warmer during the winter, all that. So also in these boxes, I have left some frames, and I'm not exactly sure where, if it's on the outside or if it's in the second box, but I've left them open. So if they want to build their own comb, they can. And honestly, what I should have done is just left all of them open so they could make their amazing maze of comb. Some people say that can hinder them in the wintertime getting from one food source, like a side, to the other side. But I mean, these guys have been doing it for how long, right? Also, there are different colors of bees now. There are some that are almost pure black. And I believe in the first video that I took of these guys, there was a drone that was almost pure black. So I wondered if some of the brood wasn't going to be black.